Hey everyone, I'm Natalie from the Edtech and here on my channel you will find videos all about teaching with technology and becoming the best online teacher you can be. If you're an online teacher, you've probably dabbled in a little bit of virtual backgrounds, especially in Zoom. It lets you add a virtual background. So today I'm going to show you my green screen setup, which is DIY, very affordable and easy to use. When I use a virtual background, which is a lot of fun, if you teach online, I highly suggest you use it. I use a green screen. A blank wall would work fine, but in my tiny teaching space, I don't have a blank wall. I have this background pinned to the wall, and I still want to use my virtual backgrounds. So I have a green screen up there. My green screen is a piece of fabric. It is a piece of green fabric. So easy. Just go to the fabric store and buy a piece of fabric that is going to be big enough to fill your whole screen. And depending on how far or close or away you are from your wall you're using, that will vary on the size. So take some measurements, turn your camera on, measure your wall from where your teaching space is, and use that to buy some fabric. So my fabric, let's adjust my camera here so you can see the very top. My green fabric is pinned to the wall. I have 3 pins in it, just push pins, and I've pinned the fabric up to the wall. Now I've got it to stay up there. I've just like bunched it up there with Velcro ties. So, and I'll show you that. But to take it down, all I have to do is undo those Velcro ties. There we go. I just undid it and it can fall right down. So I'll do this one. Falls down, and one more. And my green screen is ready to go. As simple as that. And usually my camera, students can't see way up high. It fills my whole screen. So to bunch it up like that, I just use these Velcro straps. These are the kind of straps used to like bunch up cords for like a computer if you want to manage your cords. That is all this is. Any kind of Velcro I would suggest would work the best because it's easy to undo and redo. So that is what I use to bunch it up to the wall. And to put it back up, all I do is grab the bottom and then I put that Velcro around. And that is my DIY green screen. I absolutely love it when I can use it in class. And if you're interested in learning how to put those images into Zoom so you can use your green screen, so you can use virtual backgrounds, be sure to check out this video right here. And I'll show you how to insert that image into Zoom so you have a functional and beautiful looking green screen and not this color. But anyway, it's a lot of fun. I highly suggest you use virtual backgrounds, and now you know you have a cheap DIY, affordable, and very easy to use green screen that you can use for your classroom. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you want more helpful tips and tricks for teaching online and using technology to create highly engaging and interactive games, then hit that subscription button and that notification button so you can be updated when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching, guys.